Hey, 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 RFN, restaurant food. Well, no more nightlife. But you are deemed essential during COVID-19, and I got some information for you. All right, everybody. If you are a food provider, if you're a restaurant, if you're offering takeout service, if you're offering delivery service, just give me a couple minutes because I really want to help you grow your revenue base, allow you to hire more employees, serve the community on a larger level. We are living in an unprecedented time in our history for the world. And the benefit that you, as a food provider and or a restaurant, you are able to serve the community on a deep, deep level. And so people are looking for you. People want to know that you're open. And I kid you not, probably 95% of you out there are not taking appropriate steps and measures for your online presence to show people that you're open and available, okay? There is numerous free enhancements that Yelp has, but what I'm telling you, for you restaurant owners, for you grocery stores, for you food workers who are really helping the world, well, I got big love for you. Because my mom has worked for Safeway for the last 40 years. I'm gonna say that again. She started working for Safeway in 1980, all right? This woman has woken up every day, put on that apron, done her hair, gone to work, have about 90% of their profiles unclaimed. So they offer delivery service. They offer online ordering. They offer a way to have people pick up groceries, go to their stores, and everything else. But the problem is since they don't even have their profiles claimed, well, they can't even add information to know when people are available if there's been a time change. They can't say that they have a Starbucks inside of their facility when Starbucks right now have lines out into the street, right, blocking traffic because people need their coffee fix, right? But you can just go into a Safeway. So the majority of Safeways don't have that. And then you have Safeways who are even dealing with the fact that you got people up in the Seattle Bothell location, right, literally putting on there, hey Safeway, we're stealing your carts. What do you got to say about that? So you have people who are maliciously hurting businesses. And for me, that hits kind of close to home because ultimately, I mean, that's what my mom's done for the last 40 years. I got big love for her for doing that. She woke up every day. She made it happen. And so I chose to be smarter to be able to help her and so many other people grow in a different manner. She's got so many amazing skills, just like so many other amazing food workers. You have people who have worked at grocery stores all of their life, just like her. I have friends who have owned grocery stores and been part of the family, brought up into it, and have had to learn how to weather these storms being in an unprecedented time, right? And so again, when people are looking on their phones, on their tablets, on their iPads, they're wanting to get the best experience possible, okay? So if you have a horrible reputation, you're shooting yourself in the foot. If your profile is not claimed, you're shooting yourself in the foot. If your service area isn't defined, or if you have a specific style of food and you haven't updated your stuff, well, there's a way for you to grow and thrive in this economic downturn, and I want to show you how to be effective by doing that, all right? There's a lot of key factors that I've discovered over the last 10 years of studying the Yelp platform that are influential to people in the decision-making process. And from my tutelage and from my desire to learn and grow and make stuff happen, I've drilled in and I hold Yelp's feet to the fire. I ask hard-hitting questions. I research, and I haven't brought this information to light yet because we had a whole nother massive course planned, but I realized that a lot of you restaurants who are deemed essential need help now. And you don't have, at this point, nobody has really a lot of money. Everyone's keeping their revenue flow small and concise. So I have made a small, concise 10-part course that gives you the best of what I have for an action plan for you to be successful on the Yelp platform, all right? This course information is 2 hours and 20 minutes of looking over my shoulder. It's not staring at me. There's not one video in the course that's actually the course work that has a picture of me. It's just the audio, and it's me showing you step by step how to do things. But there is also the explanation as to why. Because we will not do anything as humans, especially in 2020, without the why. Because so many of us want to do the research before we make any move because we've been burned so many times. And that's just the reality of it. So if you're a restaurant or if you're a food provider, because there's no more nightlife, sorry. Anyways, I got big love for you grocery providers. I got big love for my Trader Joe's, my Safeway, my grocery outlet. I mean, you guys are amazing. There's always smiles. You guys are always stocking the shelves. Food workers are wonderful people. It's a thankless job many times, and I'm really kind of passionate about what's going on right now. So if you are ready to take your Yelp page to the next level, go ahead and click the link below. There's about a 20-minute video where I'm going to go over everything. I'm going to explain about what's in the course, money back guarantee, because I am 100% confident in the fact that what I am delivering to you and the 2.5 hours of time that's like real time, me explaining this, that you will be able to have this information forever. If you have somebody that comes in to help you and assist you, you can pass this course off to them to say, hey, I want you to learn how to do this. There's 35 million small businesses in the world, or in the United States. I can't help all of you guys, but I do want to get this out there so then that way you guys can be successful. So, yeah, hit the link below, make it happen, hop into the course. I am so confident that I know that this is going to be helpful for you and teach you what things are in the Yelp platform and why it's so essential and effective and important, right? Because when Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, and Windows Cortana, all those voice platforms use Yelp for their local data. When Yahoo, Bing, AOL, MapQuest, I mean so many others, and Yext pull their local data from Yelp to populate everything, Yelp is huge. It's in your infotainment system in the car, okay? It's preloaded in 90% of the phones out there, okay? I mean, they have a partnership with Sprint, T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T. I mean, it's already in there. So for all of you haters out there who are like, Yelp sucks, blah, blah, blah. Well, that's not on me, that's on you. And hopefully from this course, this 2.5 hours, and very low entry, you're going to be able to possibly have a mindset shift. That's the #1 thing I wanted to have happen in that course. So I'm hoping that you do the due diligence, at least look at what I got, look at my other videos, and for the price point, I know it's going to be effective for you. So big love to all my grocery workers out there. Safeway Corporate, I'd love to talk to you. You guys are really hurting. At least claim your profiles and we can get all that dialed in. Also, if you do have multi-location, please, if you want, go ahead and set up a discovery call with us. We can see about getting minimal enhancements activated, and then from that point, my team at Yelp, we can get all of your locations under one dashboard, one single login, provide multiple logins for that one dashboard, so then that way you're not having to do everything on your own, but we can make it happen. Problem is you guys have to claim them in order to do anything with them. So, all right, big love. Talk to you guys soon, and just keep it funky, Earthlings. We got this. Bye now.